In this lesson, we now want to start taking a look at what happens if you know the hypotenuse, but you're missing a leg length. So let's just start with what we know. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then look at your triangle and start filling in things that you know. The side opposite the right angle is always your hypotenuse, which is c. Now, your leg, again, I can't say this enough, it doesn't matter. Pick one. So let's call this A and let's call this B. It doesn't matter which leg is which. So we don't know what B is, so let's put a question mark there. And let's start filling in our formula, what we know. So A squared is 3 squared. B squared is we don't know, so I'm going to leave it as B squared. C squared is 5. Okay, so now I'm going to solve my equation for the missing side, which is B. Let's simplify what we can. 3 squared is 9. B squared is still B squared. 5 squared is 25. Well, I need to get B by itself. So there's an added 9, so I'm going to minus 9. So I have to subtract that away. And I end up with B squared equals 16. Remember, I am not done solving yet because that's what some number to the second power is 16. So you can sit and think, oh, what number to the second power is 16? Or you can do the inverse operation of an exponent, which is square rooting. So what's the square root of 16? Is 4. So my missing leg is 4. So my missing leg is 4. And I write that up here and just double check which of my numbers has to be the biggest. Oh, that's right, my hypotenuse. So I can check the answer I got. Is it smaller than the hypotenuse? Yes, it is. So I might not be 100% right, but I know I'm not wrong. So my answer in this case is 4. All right, let's try another one a little faster. Marker, there we go. All right, so hypotenuse is 20, one of the legs is 16, and let's go A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So I usually call the thing I know A and then leave B as the unknown. You can flip it, it doesn't really matter. So we have 16 squared plus B squared equals C squared. So this is 16 is 256, not C squared, sorry, 20 squared. Plus B squared equals 400. Minus 256 from both sides. B squared equals is 144. Okay, square root both sides. And B, my missing leg, is the square root of 144 is 12. So go back up, put it in, double check. This needs to be smaller than my hypotenuse, which was 20, and it is smaller. So this is how to solve for a missing leg. Doesn't matter which leg, this is how you solve for it. All right, good luck.